Hello everyone. We have recently purchased couple of devices of Cisco Webex Room Kit Mini device for video conferencing, and we have done the unboxing in this video. Also, we have done some configurations. We have also done the just configuration for IP to IP calling, and we can also join the meetings of Webex. And if you get the subscription, then you can get the cloud-based Webex calling, and you can get this storage also, so you can do some more things. So this is the device, and this is the model name. You can also search about this details. There is the complete details, and you can see the color and Cisco and lot of things. You can see this, and let's go for the unboxing.
Hello everyone, we have purchased a Cisco Webex Room Kit Mini device. This is for IP to IP calling and also Webex cloud calling. So let's unboxing this. We have this is the box. Let's see what is inside of this box. These are the cables. This is the POI cable. This will connect through controller to camera, and this is the power cord. Let's see the another one, and let's see what is this. Okay, this is the controller. Now we can see that this is the controller Cisco, and now move to another one. Let's see, this is the only box for making this comfortable. There is no inside of this box, I think so. Let's see. Yes, this is the totally blank. Let's see this one. I think this is the huge box. Now let's see what is inside of this box. These are the kits, how to have to install them. These are the HDMI cable, and this is the also Ethernet cable. These are some screw and setups. This is the power connector for this, especially for camera. This is the camera, you can see this. There is all functionality in this, you can see that. Just a moment. And now let's see the all ports and all. These are the Ethernet ports, 2 HDMI, 1 USB, 1 C+, 1 micro USB, the other power, and so this is reset button, and there is a panel inside this. You can see this is the panel for adjustment, and this is the Ethernet cable. This will connect to internet to this port. Can you see this port? This is showing the symbol for internet connectivity, and this port will connect to the direct to this controller. This is the controller through we can manage the entire video, or you can say the meetings and cloud meetings. So this is the power cord for this device, and here we can plug this just like this. We can plug, and also for a video in when we are going to connect to the TV, we have to connect this HDMI cable to this TV to this port, and select your source through your own remote control, so you can control the display. And now we will going to start this. So we have connected this power, and now we are going to connect the internet connectivity. and we will connect this in our own network. Now वो कर देना. And now we are going to connect this on this port, and this port is going to connect for controller now, and this will connect to here. You can see this port. Now we can see this controller will start automatically in some time. Yes, you can see this is going to start now, and after this we will just start for configuration part. So let's, now this is going to starting, and downloading the touch panel and entire this theme at all, getting to upgrade. So now this is the welcome screen, and we are going to configure the some steps. Here this is automatically got the IP, and we will configure our own IP, so that's for smooth work. So we have configured our IP, we have disabled our DHCP, and we are going to next one. This will connect automatically. Yes, and now set up the camera. This is the camera, you can see this is the camera. We are going to select our time zone. We are in India, South Asia, New Delhi, 24 hours. Next, and this is just showing the some USB connection for your laptop to this device, and this is also for setup. This is checking the volume. Now testing complete of sound check, and setup is done. There is showing the call service is not selected, means we have to configure this setup from the web portal. So we have to access this IP. We have provided this IP, then we have to access this from our portal, then we will configure the further. So now we have accessed this device from public IP. So now you can see these setups steps. So this will take some more time, so we have made some another video, and through we you can see the calling and conference, and also meetings for configuration. So let's see for next video.